How to use Linktree. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Linktree and how you could set it up. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So over here I'm on Linktree and their website is called linktr.ee. So when you complete it, it sounds like Linktree. So as you can see, this is how it's gonna look like. So those of you who don't know what Linktree is, it's basically a website where you put a tree of socials, all over your social media. You put all of your links of your social media in a bar like this. So you can be like Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, whatever you want, it can be over here, and it's pretty amazing. So it's pretty helpful to expand your business, get more followers on other platforms as well. So really is pretty amazing. So let's just jump right into it. So over here we just simply click on the sign up button over here or get started for free. The whole process is very simple. It's completely free. You don't have to worry about it. However, there is a pricing plan, but we will get to it later on. Okay, this was my older account. Let me just go ahead and log out. So when you click on sign up, this is how it's going to look like. Over here you just have to enter in your username, your email address, your password, and you are good to go. So let's just jump into it. So let's just enter in our username over here. Yeah, that's okay. And then we just enter in our email address, and then we enter in our password, and then we agree to the terms and services and click on sign up. And once we've signed up, we are good to go. So over here, just enter in your name, and that's pretty much it. And then just choose a category that best describes your Linktree. So for example, if you are in the business of creativity or businesses or health and finance or health and wellness, travel and tourism, government and politics, you could choose which over here and move on. So let's just assume that we're in the entertainment business or in the tech business, and we go with social media, and then we just finish the reCAPTCHA and click on continue, and we can move on. So over here, this is the pricing plan that I was telling you about. So there are 4 pricing plan. There's a free, there's a starter, there's a pro, and there's a premium. All right, so each plan has different features. So if you go with the free one, you can get the basic one, such as unlimited links, social icons, videos, music videos, and Linktree for your data, so that you can have better clicks, better views. Since the last 28 days, you can collect payments, tips, and donations, and you have a moderate transaction fee of on 10%, which is quite a lot. But if you choose with the starter plan, you get all of those, but you get enhanced customization with unique theme, video, background, and stuff like that. You get data and Linktree and better clicks and views. Instead of 28 days, you get 90 days over here from the last 90 days. So it's a more in-depth review of that. You can collect payments and tips and all of that, but you also get spotlight, schedule, and highlight links over here. You get priority support and receive a response within 24 hours, and you get a low transaction fee of 5% for only $5, which I would say. But I would say go with the pro plan, because you get a lot more features, such as you get more customization tools, you get more data and views and clicks. You can even connect Google Analytics, Facebook, and TikTok pixels, and you can use UTM tags. You can collect email and grow your mailing list over here by MailChimp and more, and you get a transaction fee as low as 2%, which I think is pretty amazing. And it's only for $9, only $4 more, and you get all these different benefits. I would say that this is much more of a better plan. But if you go with the premium one, you get all of those, and you get a response in 4 hours. You get a low transaction fee of 0.5%. You export your all-time data to get a full view of your performance with their sources, and you have your own customer success manager. So you get your own manager. But it's $25. I don't think that's worth it, way too much. But I think the pro one is better, so it all depends on you. But for now, we're just gonna stick with the free one and simply click on sign up for free, and then we just simply gonna click over here and continue to Linktree after we've verified our account. So over here, as you can see, we have to go ahead and verify our email address so that we can continue. So let me just go ahead and do that actually, and boom, here we go. So this is how it looks like over here. As you can see, we are now good to go. So let's go ahead and get started. So over here on the right side, you get your preview of all your links over here. This is how it's going to look like. So let's go ahead and add a new link, as I said before. So we click over here, and let's say we want to add our Instagram link. So we'll just say Instagram over here, and we'll go ahead and find our Instagram profile. We'll copy the link and we'll paste the URL over here. And this is how it looks like. And then we can add a thumbnail as well. Let's go ahead and set a thumbnail. You can upload your own thumbnail, or you can choose from the tabular icons if you want. So if you click on tabular icons, it will have all these different icons to choose from, but I would suggest if you want, you can set your own thumbnail. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Simply going to go ahead and upload my own picture over here. Click on save, click on upload, and boom, here we go. Once that's done, this is how it's going to look like over here on the right side. Next, we can add new link over here. Let's say Twitter. All right. And then you just simply have to add in the profile of your Twitter. So let me just go ahead and find that. So this is it. We just simply copy the profile, go back to Linktree, add in over here, and then we just simply, you know, set the thumbnail over here if you want. We don't want this one, so we'll just set our own thumbnail. Again, upload your own picture. You can upload a different image if you want. For now, since this is a tutorial, I'm just uploading the picture so that you guys can have a better sense of an idea. So this is pretty much it. That's how you basically do it. You basically add links over here into one link, and then you just simply share your link over here onto your social media. Over here you can add Linktree to your socials. So if you click over here, simply select Instagram and go ahead and go to Instagram. All right, and then you can go ahead and paste it on your you know, website over here. Copy this actually, and then just paste it over here, and boom, then it's done, and we just simply click on submit. After that, if we come over to our profile, we reload it, you will see we have a link tree over here. So whenever someone clicks on this link tree, they will be taken over here where we have Instagram and Twitter, and boom, that's pretty much it. That's how it looks like. Now if you want to edit all of this up, you know, make it more customized, you just simply come over here, click on appearances at the top bar over here. You can add in your profile title. You can add, you know, have other, you know, templates as well. So as you can see over here, some are, you know, for the pro ones, but you have your own free versions as well. So it all depends on you. Let's go with this one, the smoke one. It's going to look something like this. If we go with the Noir, it's going to look like this. Spray, we have this one. I think Bloom looks pretty nice, so we're going to go with Bloom. And yeah, and you can also create your own. So if you click on create your own, you can add more options over here. You can add like a gradient color. You can add your own images. You have your stripes, colors, wave, gradient down, gradient up. It all depends on you, but I think that for now we'll just continue with this one as well. Like I think this one looks pretty cool, so we're gonna go ahead and continue with that one, or we go with this one, you know, like this one as well. I think this looks pretty nice, so we're gonna go with this one. And we can also pick an image for our own you know, profile over here. So let me just upload the image as well. Click on save, click on upload. I only have one profile picture, what can I say? And once that's done, just enter in your bio over here, and that is basically it. As you can see now, it looks much more better. It looks much more, you know, upgraded. And you can also change your fonts as well. So over here you can have like larger fonts as well if you want. I think bolder fonts looks cool, so we're gonna go with that. And once that is done, you are good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's how you do it. Next, you can add more stuff to it, more links and more settings, and once everything is done, you have all of your links, you are good to go. So that is it for this video, guys. That's how you set up your Linktree, and that's how you use Linktree as well. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.